Hey y'all, we're out here working some hail claims. That's when I'm gonna show you how much hail it actually hit in this area. You see some of these vents, all those little circles are hail hits. Okay. Let's go look. We'll take a look at. See all those little circles? That's all splatter from the hail hitting it and bouncing off. Hail or wind damage, give us a call. Patriot Contracting.